and welcome back. So in our previous videos, we learned how to create codes, how to assign the codes to text, how to add highlights, and also add your coding strips. Now in this video, we're just going to learn how to export a codebook. So to export your codebook, you click on Share, click on Export Codebook. I want to see the number of files I've coded, so I'm just going to click on that too and then say OK. Yes. Yeah, so there you have it. This is what your codebook will look like. Now for some cases, for some research, this might not be enough. You might need to include put percentages or put examples. Okay, but basically this is what a codebook that you export from NVivo looks like. If you notice, we do not really have description. This is because we weren't putting as much, but you can edit it from here. This is a Word document, so if I want to add, I can just say this response refers to cases where the pregnant women suggests that the TVs need training. So I can always edit this codebook from this end because this is a Word document. So this is what your codebook, once you export it from NVivo, looks like. Thank you.